I have just discovered the laziest way to make money online, and you can do this with just your smartphone. Now, if you look at my screen here, you can see the amount of withdrawal that I just made last month. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make or earn money online making use of your smartphone. Now, I'm not talking about having to watch a bunch of ads that pays you cents or having to fill out surveys. I'm talking about an actual platform that can give you great returns on investment. And also, if you are in a country where the US dollar is gaining value over your currency, well, this might just be a great way to take advantage of it. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and sign up on this website. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description so you can click that link and sign up easily. So you want to click on Get Started. When you click on Get Started, you want to simply fill in your details, your nationality, tick where do you live. If you live in your nationality, you want to tick that. Then you want to tick your country. If you do not live in your country of nationality, you want to tick that. You want to continue. You want to follow through the process. It takes less than 3 minutes. And once you are done, you want to log in. Now, once you are logged in, it will bring you up to your homepage that will look something like this. And of course, this is how your dashboard will look like. Now, the very first thing you want to do is to verify your ID, because this is a legit platform and they want to know their customers. So you want to go to More and you want to go to ID verification. You can see here it is verified. So if you click on ID verification, you will be prompted to verify both your email and also to attach a government ID document just to verify who you are. Now, the next thing you want to do is to set up accounts and cards for your funding and withdrawal. So also under the More, you want to click Accounts and Cards, and you want to attach your debit or credit card and also your bank account. Here, your bank account where you can withdraw to, and your card where you will be able to fund for your investment. Now, your wallet is where your funding goes to. So you have two kinds of wallets. You have both a US dollar wallet and you have a wallet for your nationality. So depending on whichever you want to fund. And if you want to fund your wallet, you can easily click on Fund Wallet here. And once you click on Fund Wallet, you'll be able to either fund with your currency or US dollar. If you do not have probably a domiciliary account where you can fund US dollar from, you want to choose your currency and it will let you know on the exchange rate. The next thing you want to do is accept and continue. Now you can either fund with bank transfer or debit and credit card. You can fund with your bank transfer, and of course they would give you an account you can transfer to, which will reflect in your dashboard or your wallet balance once you have funded. Now, if you want to withdraw your money from your wallet, of course you do the same thing. You can click on Withdraw, and of course you want to withdraw to your currency, and of course it will tell you about the exchange rate. You accept and continue, and of course you can easily withdraw to your bank account easily. Also, at the same time, you can transfer. This time you can transfer, you can send to any of your investment plan. You can send to a fellow user of this platform, and you can also transfer to your currency wallet. Now that I've explained how the wallet works, now into the real thing is how the plans work. Now, when you go to the plans, this is where your active plans reflect. However, there are different categories of this plan. We have the asset classes, and for the asset classes, we have 3 kinds of asset classes. We have for the fixed income, we have for the real estate, and we have for the stocks. Now, for the fixed income is actually a very low risk asset class. And if you just open it and have an overview at it, you can see it's a low risk level asset class. And these are for the kind of people who just want to preserve their money in a secure appreciating currency. So if US dollar is appreciating over your currency, this is the best way to, preserve your currency if you do not want to take any risk at all. And this is for a fixed return of 10% per annum. This is literally higher than what most of the banks would give you. Now, you can get started, and you can also turn on auto invest. So instead of you having to put money every time, you can simply attach, since you've attached your debit card, you can simply fund on auto invest. Of course, the higher you put, the higher returns you get. The next is the real estate, and this is like a medium risk level, and this is for those who want a balance of both good returns and just a little bit of risk. Now, this particular plan actually invests in rented buildings in the US, and they return a percent of 12 to 15% per annum. If you look at the historical performance, you can see that they can make as high as over 17%, but they have never gone below 12. So if you invest with this, you are certain that you are getting returns of between 12 to 15%, and in some cases, even higher than 15%. And now the third plan is stocks. If you are familiar with stocks, you already know that stocks is a high level risk, and this is if you have a very high or a bigger appetite for risk. And with stocks, you can own a slice of high growth companies. So with stocks, you can have shares of Microsoft, Netflix, Square, and the likes. And if you look at their historical performance, they have historical returns of 14% per annum to investors who have invested with it. Now, another part of the plans is goals. So this particular website has plans where you can save up to meet a certain goals, and even in this saving, you get to earn a very reasonable percentage of returns. So with goals, you can start a business, save for school, plan a wedding, travel, own your own home, kids, save for rent, and so on. Now, under the portfolio, this is just where you can see an overview on the particular plans that you have running. So if you have a mix of fixed income, goals, and stocks, you would all see them here, and of course in the percentage of the asset mix. Now, the name of the site is LAZIEST, and like I said, I'll be leaving a link where you can sign up and get started with this. If you are finding this super helpful, make sure to smash the like button. Make sure to comment if you have any questions. I will be super glad to answer your questions in the comment section. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon, so when next I drop a new video, you'll be the next to see it. And the good thing about this site is this is something that you can find on your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store, and you can utilize this on the go. So you can have access to all of this on the go, and of course, keep making returns. So just like I showed you earlier, you can start earning with this. All you need to do is keep your money to work for you. Like, you can just keep it there and even forget it there for like 6 months, 1 year. And by the time you come back to it, you see that the money has stocked up. And one way you can do this best is by utilizing the auto invest feature. That way you can just schedule a certain number to be going out of probably your salary account every month. That way you are not just saving, but you are investing in the future, because not just is that money preserved of its value, it is also appreciating through the investment asset that you are funding it into. Now, if you are looking for more ways to earn with your phone, I have attached a video right here where you can use your phone to simply chat and earn money. And if that interests you, click the video on the screen right now to check it out. Ciao.